May 10th, 10 in the morning. We are now at St. Pancras Railway Station, which is basically the departure point for the Eurostar trains that go over to Paris, which is a service I think that nowadays actually takes less than 3 hours. So it's definitely a big competition for inter-European flights. This whole railway station was recently renovated and just reopened a few months ago, and the trains are now upstairs. So these are some of the Eurostar trains that actually connect London